In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Netlify Subscription. We'll walk through exactly where to go in your Netlify dashboard so you can find the cancellation option quickly and understand what to expect along the way. Start by opening your browser and going to netlify.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile or team name there. Click that name to open the account menu. From that small menu, click the same name again to open the detailed account or team settings page. This brings you to the area where Netlify organizes your team configuration and billing controls. On the left-hand side, locate the section labeled Usage and Billing and click it. This is the central place where Netlify shows your current plan, invoices, payment method, and any add-ons you might be using. In this walkthrough, the account is on the free plan, which means there isn't a paid subscription to cancel. If you're also on free, you'll simply see plan details without a cancel option because there's nothing billable attached. If your account is on a paid plan, this page will display your plan information and provide a cancel subscription button. Click that button to start the cancellation flow. Netlify may ask for a brief reason and will typically outline what changes when you cancel. For most teams, canceling a paid plan downgrades the workspace to the free tier. That can affect limits and usage for features such as build minutes, functions, and any paid add-ons like analytics. It's a good idea to review those notes carefully so you understand what will change after the downgrade and when it takes effect in your billing cycle. If you manage more than one team in your account, billing is scoped to each team. Make sure you're in the correct team before you cancel so you change the right subscription. Also, if you don't see the cancel subscription button, you may not have the required billing permissions. In that case, someone with owner or billing access will need to perform the cancellation from the same usage and billing page. Once cancellation is completed, the plan will reflect the change to the free tier, and future charges will stop in line with Netlify's billing schedule. That's all there is to it. Go to netlify.com, open the bottom left profile menu, click your name to reach the settings, choose usage and billing, and if you're on a paid plan, use the cancel subscription button right on that page.